Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Holden Cruze CDX Sedan, stock reference number 5212. The shape runs from the third one 2009 through to the second one 2013. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have a scratch on the case. Left front door, 5 small dents. Left rear door, 1 small dent and a light fold on the rear edge. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand boot lid garnish. Boot lid has a couple of dents. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Good power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display screen, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.